The focus is on India Pesticides Ltd. DK Jain, the CEO of the company, is joining us now. Pull up India Pesticides and you'd see that it's hovering around 220 rupees a share. You've seen that your revenue, there has been a reasonable growth on a year-on-year basis, but your profits have come under pressure, a bit pressure on the margins as well. What's playing there on profitability? It has been a bit of an issue for a few quarters. How long can it continue?
Good afternoon. Sir, I fully agree that the revenue has increased, but the margins have slightly gone down because this financial year FY23 has been a very challenging year for us and even for the whole chemical industry. There have been severe headwinds, especially from the Russia-Ukraine war. There was a severe problem of container movement and the freight increases in the container freights. And there was a severe increase in the raw material prices. Basic raw material prices got increased tremendously, and a very high fuel cost. And all these factors contributed to the overall increase in the operating cost. Though we could pass on some of the cost to our customers, but still full pass on was not possible. That is why there has been a reduction in the margins this year. And we feel that probably coming 1 or 2 quarters, this problem should get resolved.
Okay, so this is an important guidance. In fact, your entire industry has been suffering from this issue, more or less. Yes. You are saying next 2 quarters, the pressure on margins will be behind you and demand will return, right?
That's what we feel, because now China has opened and China is clearing their stocks. That is why there has been a continuous reduction in the prices. And we feel that in another 1 or 2 quarters, that should stabilize.
Right, Mr. Jain. Also, just want to understand in terms of, if you could just give us an understanding in Q1, how are the demand trends that are shaping up in Q1? And are you witnessing any healthy offtake in terms of, on the back of the Kharif season that is coming as well?
Madam, Q1 is going on normal, but there are still a few challenges in the sense that we are still carrying high cost inventory with us, and this will take this quarter and as well as the next quarter to get these inventories reduced to reasonable level.
Sir, if you look at your expansion which is coming on play, which quarter or which financial year will it start contributing to the numbers?
As we told earlier, we have done a capex of 70 crores in FY22 and about 70 crores in FY23. And this year it should contribute, the result should contribute now. And this year we expect an asset turnover of about 2.5 times the investment. So our FY22 investment should give us that contribution. And this year's contribution we should get next year.
Okay, Mr. Jain, thank you so much for joining in with us this afternoon and giving us an understanding of what you should be expecting from the company going forward as well. Thank you so much. But